we are going to talk about the two different categories of love. The first one is the physical love, with which we all are born with. Not only us as humans, but animals and everybody is born with a love that is based on a physical need of a human body.
I think in our generation, people get confused between love and lust, and now it has become more of physical attraction, maybe the need, and in that process we tend to forget what is the purity of love and how graceful it was in the older days.
The other kind of love is the physiological love. This is mostly experienced by poets, writers, lyricists, whom we all know lives in a different dream world with an imagination of a lover, a beloved, whom they express in their writings. Now, what happens when you meet this lover in your life? Firstly, there are very few in the human race who gets an opportunity to experience such kind of love. But yes, this love is to be experienced by all human at large, because this love is what makes you different from the animals. This is a love in which you are in a state of bliss. The moment you meet your lover, the first phase is when you begin with friendship, because it starts at a mental level. It grows at a mental level. You start to understand each other. The second stage is the emotional level, where the sound is mostly unheard. It is the sound when you communicate in silence. This kind of love is the physiological love. It begins at friendship. There is no requirement of a physical desire which is felt between two friends, because the desire of physicality leads to a different level of slavery on your mental level. This is a mental bond. Once the mental bond is established between these two lovers, it moves to an emotional bond where silence becomes the mode of communication, where silence speaks louder than noise, where you start to understand each other, where the just one look into the eyes of the person feels that he or she is directly looking deep into your soul. Once you move to a spiritual plane, the knot between the energies of both the lovers are knotted together. There have been various examples where one gets hurt and the other gets mark on their body. The idea is that the lovers should not complement each other, but they should complete each other. When the self-love is established, they become not like a flower, but like a fragrance. They don't become the flame, but the light of it.